So black economy is the sum of all the activities in which black incomes are generated, and black incomes are generated by not declaring incomes for tax purposes.
Okay.
Okay. So which taxes? And here the idea is that if you evade an excise duty or a sales tax or something, then you are also going to evade income tax.
Okay.
So finally, it is the income tax and the corporation tax that is evaded that's counted. And the other thing, if you count, then you are doing multiple counting. The same income is counted again and again. So like in the white economy, if you say produce cement, then the same cement will pay excise duty and sales tax and income tax and corporation tax. But you don't count it 4 times. You count that income only once. So similarly in the black economy also, the income should be counted only once, even though it may evade 4 taxes or 5 taxes. And therefore we count it at the final stage, because if you are evading excise duty or sales tax or octroi, then you will end up evading the income tax also. So that's why we want to count it only at the final stage of the evasion, because then that means that all the earlier stages also there is evasion of tax.